Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this Glam Freddy Krueger look for when you want to look badass but still look really cute. So before we jump into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with my face makeup already done, so I'm just jumping right into creating Freddy's infamous scars. To create the scars, I'm going right in with the Fall Blush and Eyeshadow Palette by Ben Nye, and I'm using the colors Red, Brown, and Chestnut. For each mark, you can quite literally move your blending brush around slightly, and there's your scar. You just want to make sure that the shapes are slightly different to give it a more authentic feel. Now that we have all the basic marks laid out, it's time to go in with a deeper burgundy shade to add some depth. So you want it to look like some of the areas of the burn are deeper than others. I thought it would be cool to add some mouth creasing to stay true to the character, but it really took the beauty out of it and made it a little too intense, so I just erased them. A flat shader brush is perfect for this because you really want to hug the outer corner of each scar, so not completely outlining the whole mark, only half of it. I like to switch up my shading technique with each individual scar. So some of them are shaded at the bottom, some are shaded at the top, and some are shaded from the side. This just really helps build dimension within the character so that it doesn't look flat. I took some of that dark shade in the palette and deepened the inner hairs in my brows, just giving it that permanent bitchy brow look. To finish out the look, I'm just going back in with that shade Chestnut and drawing lines on sporadically, just to create that subtle pulling of the skin. Then I realized that I forgot to shade the burns on my neck with burgundy, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. And last but not least, I'm going with my brow pomade in the shade Rich Brown, and I'm just darkening my brows to make them look a little more intense, and we're good to go. If you guys like this look, make sure to give me a thumbs up down below, that really helps me out. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.